Spam comments are not only annoying, but they can also be dangerous, as some comment spammers might attempt to use your website to launch phishing attacks. There are many ways to protect your website from spam comments and posts. A common way is by using a content management system, which is a CMS plugin, such as Akismet, to catch spam. Hi guys, this is Jaswin Balia from Team Learn Today, and in this SOP, we will install and set up the Akismet plugin that will help in preventing spam on our website. So without further ado, let's get into the video. The first thing that we need to do once you land on your WordPress dashboard is install a plugin, a content management system plugin called as Akismet Protection. What it does, its algorithm basically identifies the spam comments and it just puts it in the spam section before you can go ahead and moderate all the comments and check out all the comments. So it basically does some of your work for you, that you don't have to go ahead and look at all the spam comments that are there. It will automatically identify it and put it in the spam section. So from your left sidebar, go to plugins and add a new plugin. Now, what you need to remember is, if you're new to WordPress, Akismet protection, spam protection plugin will already be installed. So what you just need to do is you just need to activate it. And if you can't see it over here, you can just search for it. So as you search for Akismet, as you can see, it's already installed, right? You just need to activate it. And as it's being activated, you will land here. So you need to set up your Akismet account from right here. Click on that. And as you can see, there are some commercial use plans that you can go for if you want. I'm going to go for personal program from here because it's just a blog. I don't need these commercial plans right now. So get personal, and you just need to fill all these details right here. So your email address and then your payment details. You can go ahead and put this at $0 per year if you do not want to pay anything, if you don't want any of the premium uses that they're going to provide to you. You can just go ahead and put it at $0 per year and just have the basic plan. What you need to do is you need to, once you have filled out the details, of course, you need to check all these three boxes. And if your site doesn't meet these qualifications, you'll have to choose a commercial plan. So you'll have to basically pay for it. If it's just a blog and if you don't promote it or sell any products, basically you're not earning anything from it, then it's just your personal blog, right? So you can go ahead and choose the basic plan that is at $0 per year. But if you are earning some money out of it, if you are promoting a product, if you have a registered company, then you need to go for the commercial pro plans. So I'm going to continue with the personal subscription. Okay, so you must have gotten a confirmation code on your Gmail. So you can go ahead and you can put that confirmation code right here from your inbox. So once you've gotten the code, you just need to click on continue. Awesome. So once the sign up is complete, you can see that there are some instructions given right here. We have sent you an email containing your API key, or you can log into into your Akismet dashboard. So they're giving you two options. I'm going to go with the easier one because I already am my Gmail is already open in my other window. So I'm going to go with the easier option, which is the email section. So what are the next steps? In your WordPress dashboard, open the Akismet settings. This page can be found by visiting the plugins page. We already know that. Click on manually enter an API key, copy the API key from the email and then connect it. So let's go ahead and do that. So over here, we already are at settings from our left sidebar. We can see Akismet anti-spam protection plugin right here. And we just need to click on manually enter an API key. Awesome. Now I'll go to my Gmail inbox and I will find the API key that has already been sent to me. This is the free plan and I have pasted my API key right here. Now all I have to do is click on this button which says connect with API key. And my Akismet account will be connected with this particular WordPress blog. So as you can see, Akismet is now protecting your site from spam, happy blogging. Our API key is right there. You can go ahead and click on that, show the number of approved comments beside each comment author. Strictness, silently discard the worst ones or always put them in spam folder. I like to put them in the spam folder to see what kind of spam comments I'm getting. If I have the time. And yeah, the subscription type is personal and you can always go ahead and upgrade it if you want. So now let's just save these changes. And we have successfully protected our WordPress website from spam comments. Hope you guys were able to install the Akismet spam protection plugin with the help of this SOP. If you have any queries, any suggestions, or any other kind of videos that you would like to see on the Learn Today channel, feel free to put that in the comment section down below. If you like this video, then you can go ahead and hit on that like button, subscribe button, along with the notification bell icon so that you can get updates on whenever we come up with new videos. This is Jaswin Walia and I will see you in our next SOP.